For 5 years, I thought I was good with money. Then I actually wrote it down. What I found shocked me. Why writing it down matters. People who write their budget spend 20% less. Invisible spending becomes visible immediately. Takes 10 minutes, pays back all month. My monthly budget setup. 1 page, income at top, expenses below. Fixed versus variable columns side by side. 1 line for savings, always listed as an expense. The mid-month check-in. I check my spending on the 15th of every month. Catch overspending before it becomes a problem. Takes 5 minutes, prevents 5 days of stress. Color coding the categories. Green equals on track, yellow equals watch it, red equals over. Visual system works faster than reading numbers. Your brain responds to color before text. End of month review. What categories went over? Was it a one-time thing or a pattern? Adjust next month's budget, not your lifestyle. Download the exact budget tracker I use, free printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.